Today I will show you how to turn simple chords into real music so that you can play something with melody and emotion. And if you are new here, my name is Melanie. I studied music education, and on this channel you learn the things you usually don't learn in traditional piano lessons. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today I want to show you a very simple way to start improvising. Maybe you already know a few chords, but it still sounds a bit stiff, a bit clunky, and you want to make it more musical, more beautiful. Then you are in the right place. Stay until the end. And by the way, I have a free PDF for this tutorial. You can download it in the description below. Okay, all right, then let's get started. So let's start with some very simple chords. We play the C major triad, then comes the G major triad, then we go to the A minor triad, and then we go to the F major triad. And if you want, you can also play the root notes in the left hand. That means we play the 1 chord, the C major chord, then we go to the 5 chord, G major, then we go to the 6 chord, A minor, and then we go to the 4 chord, which is F major. Okay? And I would say, let's repeat this. So we are starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. So this is step number 1. Now you might be thinking, okay, I can play the chords, but how do I make it sound more interesting? How do I make it less stiff, less clunky, right? And just more musical? And I will show you now a very simple trick what you can do. I call it the ring finger, middle finger trick. Okay, so try this. First, you play the chord, and then you play ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Like a small zigzag, yeah? Like a zigzag movement. So, and this we will do for every chord. That means we are starting with C major, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to G major. There we are doing the same. 1, then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Then comes A minor. On 1 we play the chord, then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, and then we go to F major. So first we play the full chord, and then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Okay, so let's play this just the right hand alone. We are starting 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And together with the left hand. Okay, wonderful. And like this, we brought in a little bit of melody, okay? And so far we played everything in root position. And now the next step is that we take it to the next level, okay? That means now we play all chords in the second inversion. So we start with C major in the second inversion, then we go to G major in second inversion, then we go to A minor in second inversion, and then we go to F major in second inversion. Okay, so practice this a few times in a row, and yes, if inversions still feel a little bit confusing, don't worry. I highly recommend my online course Modern Piano 1. There I show you a very simple system to find all inversions quickly and trust me, once you understand this, your playing will change a lot and you will become much more familiar with those inversions. Okay, and now we will do the same thing again. We will apply our ring finger, middle finger trick, but this time just playing every chord in the second inversion. So we are starting C major in second inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Then we go to G major second inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Then we go to A minor second inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. And F major second inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Okay, are you ready to play this with both hands together? Then let's start. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, and you can repeat this over and over again for sure that you really get this under your fingers, right? Now let's try the same thing, but now we will play all chords in the first inversion. And here I would say let's move our hand now one octave higher, then it's a little bit easier to play. So we are starting with C major in first inversion, then we go to G major in first inversion, then we go to A minor in first inversion, and then we go to F major in first inversion. And now we will add the little zigzag melody again. Okay, so we play the chord, and then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Then we are going to G major, chord, then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, A minor in first inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, and F major in first inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Okay, so let's do both hands together. Also with the left hand, now I play it a little bit higher because like this it sounds more beautiful. Okay, so 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can repeat over and over again to practice this, because this is a really important skill. And like this, you have an idea how you can implement a little melody to the chords, okay? No matter in which inversion you are playing the chord. And this is a great basic for improvisation. Now let's take one more step. We will combine now different inversions to make everything sound smoother, okay? And I will show you exactly which inversions we will take now for our chord progression. We will start with C major in second inversion, then we will go on with G major root position, then we go to A minor root position, and then we go to F major in first inversion. Like this we can play the whole chord progression much easier without making these big jumps, right? Okay, but that means that you really have to be familiar with the inversions. And if this felt fast, don't worry, download the free PDF in the description. It walks you through everything step by step, and if you really want to learn to master this, if you want to play smoothly with inversions without thinking too much, I highly recommend my online course Modern Piano 1, and you will find more information about the course in the description below. Okay, then let's go on, because now we will apply again our little trick. So we start again with C major second inversion, and then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. Then we go to G major root position, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. A minor root position, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, and then F major, in first inversion, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. It's so easy because we are doing all the time the same, no matter which inversion we choose, okay? So let's play this all together. 3, 4. Once again. Okay, and now imagine this with a cool rhythm. Let me show you a simple groove that we can make it sound more lively, right? Okay, so I will play that for you once. Okay, and here is the trick. We are doing the following thing. We are starting with the chord, and then we are doing again the ring finger, middle finger, ring finger thing. But this time we just play the thumb also. That means we are playing ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, but together with the lowest note of the chord, yeah? And the rhythm goes like this: 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and okay? Let's do this again slowly. 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and the same rhythm we will take for all the other chords too, like 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and yeah, and I will repeat this once for you, and just follow with your eyes the movement of the ring finger and the middle finger, okay? So okay, so practice this, and when you are ready, then just add the left hand, and here we play the quarter notes this time, yeah, because this will make it more lively. Yeah, and for sure you can play this a little bit faster too. Now let me show you one other simple thing, one other option for the rhythm, because maybe you want something what sounds a little bit softer, more emotional, and then a great way to play this is that we use broken chords. That means we don't play all notes together now. We will play them one by one as an arpeggio. Okay, and here we will start with the C major chord again in second inversion, but we will prepare only the 2 outer notes, okay? And now we do the following thing. We begin with the higher note, then comes the thumb, and then we are playing the 4, 3, 4 thing with our fingers, but every time there will be the thumb in between, like this. We are starting with the highest note, and now ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, okay? And as you can see, every time I placed a stroke on the thumb in between. Yeah? On the first beat, we represent the whole chord. And then ring finger, middle finger, a ring finger, okay? And this we will make with all other chords too. So we play the G major in root position, leave out the middle note, and then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger with A minor the same. We start placing our hand on A minor root position and then just the highest note, lowest note, and then ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, and then just place your hand as if you would play an F major in first inversion, and then we only take the two outer notes here. A ring finger, middle finger, a ring finger, okay? Let's do this a little bit faster, just the right hand alone. Isn't this beautiful? So, time to add our left hand. Here we also just play the root notes. So as you can see, this is just the beginning, and if you still struggle with inversions, don't worry, you can learn this step by step, and I highly recommend my online course Modern Piano 1. You will find a link in the description below if you really want to learn these inversions and chord thing, okay? And don't forget, you can download the free PDF for this tutorial in the description below. And if you enjoyed this lesson, you should definitely watch this video next. Here I show you another simple melody trick, and I hope to see you there. Okay, bye bye and see you soon.